Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Cassis and I'm a faculty in the Departments of Engineering and Physics and Astronomy at Sonoma State University. I'm here today to share with you how to make a 360-degree video for your ecosystem. The first thing I'd like to share with you is that the worksheet that is available for guiding you on how to make a 360-degree video is found on the virtualfield.org website. So first, when going to the website, click on Register or Log In. Once you log in to the website, then you go to Contribute Content. This will take you to a page with various available video contributions. We're going to scroll down and go to the 360 video project. And under step 2 here is the 360-degree video 3-step worksheet. Before you start, it is recommended that you go to the website under the 360-degree seasonal videos and take a look at our videos that we have available. These videos can be accessed from the back end where you need to log in to the website to be able to see some more detail on these videos. But you can also access them through our YouTube playlist.